Okay, so welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. And in this episode, we are installing some snap pads to our new Montana. We're installing some snap pads to our new Montana. We'll tell you all about the benefits of putting these on. But first, we're going to show you how quick and easy they are to install. We're doing it right before we drive into our campsite because we know that the parking lot that we're at the check-in is nice and flat and solid, and they recommend that you put them on a nice flat solid space. So let's get these put on. So somebody's got a happy pill, but the snap pads are made out of this super solid rubber deal. Now when you get your snap pads or you order them, make sure that you get the right size for your stabilizing jacks, and essentially they just snap right in, as the name implies. So let's take a look at how to do this. What they recommend is that you use dish soap. We're going to coat the pads with dish soap, put them right under the pad, and then we're going to do it hopefully one jack at a time. So we're going to slather a bunch of dish soap on there. We're using Dawn Platinum. And we're going to line it right up there. Okay. So why did we pick the snap pad over anything else? Well, first of all, it's the only thing like it on the market. And we've tried the stabilizing buckets from Anderson. We've had our leveling blocks and all of that. And what it boils down to is convenience and stability. So with the snap pad, it increased our footprint. So you have more surface area on the ground. It takes away a lot of the shake and the rattle because of the way that it is a non-skid surface. It's made out of recycled tires, which is nice because it is helping the environment by taking 50,000 tires out of the landfills and putting them on RVs. They come for every kind of RV now, and we've waited for this because we couldn't get them at the time for our travel trailer. So with the non-skid surface, the bigger footprint, and the convenience of them being on our stabilizing jacks and never having to take them off, they just come up, they go down, and we don't have to put blocks down. It's great on all terrain. And after using them for a week, we already love them. Now we bought the 6-pack of the snap pads, and you could buy them in a box of 6, box of 4. You could buy singles. We have 6 stabilizing jacks, so we went ahead and bought the 6-pack. And yeah, they're a bit spandy, but they're guaranteed to be on the jacks of your rig forever. They are not going to come off, and they're probably not going to wear out. So, I mean, there's no grinding on them or anything. They're just up or they're down. They're just sitting on the ground. So buying the 6-pack worked out really well for us. And I love the way that they are solid. I love the way that they snapped right on as advertised. The entire installation took less than 10 minutes. And, we got them on the ground, and we definitely noticed a difference immediately by putting the snap pads on at the campground, because we were on totally uneven terrain. Part of the trailer was on asphalt, some of it was in the dirt, and we didn't have any issues whatsoever. So is it worth the money? Absolutely. And there'll be a link in the description below where you can pick up your snap pads. But so far, we're loving them. and they make the trailer look really good too. Okay, so it's probably worth noting that this was not a paid promotion. We paid out of our own pocket for the snap pads. Snap Pad did not send those to us. We like them, and so we thought we'd share them with you. Now, having said all of that, Snap Pad, if you are watching, I did this video for nothing. A hat, a t-shirt, something, give me a call. So anyway, if you're interested, we will leave a link in the description below where you can pick up some snap pads for yourself and help veterans in the process. We appreciate you coming along with us each and every time, and we'll see you in the next video.